Right, rapid fire room tour, junior suite 10636, Utopia of the Seas. This is a junior suite, and you walk in and it's unmistakable with the 2 windows, your full-length mirror, typical bathroom with your tub, premium amenities. Look at this, the return of the bedding covers. Wow, that's different. Oh gosh. Right, so they had to bring in the amenities. But look at this. They're back. They are back. All right, we have USB outlets on the nightstands. You have an outlet over there on that one. You have your closet. But the real closet is over here. That's the feature. Only junior suites have a walk-in closet like this. The grand suites do not. Mini bar, Lavazza coffee maker. There's your work area. I have the key package. Well, actually, it's the master's, but they include the luggage valet. There's your TV. It does come out and angle towards the bed. Again, that's really cool. They got it back. And this is on the starboard side. It is a little bit further forward from mid, but it is on the hump. So this is a very nice balcony. So that is a nice seating area. And this is great for room service. Although out here, they don't have a big table. They just have a little bistro table. They could have a table out here. And you do have to pay for room service in a junior suite, but this does include access to the coastal kitchen for dinner only, priority boarding, priority disembarking, reserved seats at shows. There is your junior suite, 10636 Utopia.